What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video on how I take care of my scalp when I have braids in my hair, especially when it starts itching and whatnot. So the things I use to help with this is a short and sweet video. So the things I use basically to help my scalp is witch hazel, which is to clean up whatever is making my scalp itch, which the hair is one thing that makes my scalp itch a lot. So I have like a slight allergic reaction to synthetic hair. So, you know, even with doing the vinegar rinse and all that stuff, it still bothers me from time to time. So, and I'm also using the Do Grow anti-itch oil. There we go. I'm using that. So let's get started. I get a Q-tip and I get me a little bit of witch hazel on that Q-tip. I try to wet it up. Right here is one of my main spots, which you can see is starting to flake where it's itching it. I don't know if y'all can really see that, but right up in here. So I'm gonna take the Q-tip and clean it up. If you can see a whole bunch of flakes up in there. This is where my scalp is reacting to the hair. So I'm starting to flake up a lot. Matter of fact, I'm going to get some cotton swabs some cotton balls if I could find some. So 1 minute. Alright, I found some cotton balls, so I'm gonna use some cotton balls, which will work better because I can basically soak them. So I'm gonna soak the cotton ball. Okay. And go ahead and on my scalp, just rubbing it right where it's pretty much itching at, where I'm rubbing it. Which basically this is cleaning those parts of my scalp. Okay, now you take this. It has a nozzle on it, so I'm gonna just use the nozzle and basically concentrate where I cleaned that. So I'm gonna go down this line and across this one. And I can say this oil has helped. Basically, I'm gonna rub it in, massage it into my scalp, but I'm gonna try not to mess up my parts too much. Or pull on my hair too much. So I'm basically just massaging it into my scalp. did it. Did I do that part? Yeah. So now I'm just keep massaging it. Portia, come here. Come here. Come. Come on. Just massage it in. And I'm done. That's all I have for y'all. I was just showing y'all how I take care of my scalp and whatnot for my braids, and how I oil it up to keep the itching away and clean it for the itching also. So that's it for this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.